What is going on, boo boo kitties? It's the girl with the guy's name, 5-4-head gang. You know what I'm saying? Back with another video. Yes, I'm doing back-to-back uploads, daily uploads, 24/9. So let's get right into this video. And if you're not a boo boo kitty, baby girl, what you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel. Pull up. What happened? So yes, ladies, we're going to be making a DIY rose infused oil. Let me just say this first and foremost. I didn't do this on camera because it was way too messy for me. I did this yesterday when I was making my potpourri. If you haven't seen that video that I uploaded yesterday. But what I did was I kind of did like, not a rinse, but because I didn't use any liquid whatsoever. But I kind of powdered down and let my rose petals sit in baking soda. To eliminate any remaining pesticides, because I refuse to put anything on my face and my skin, honey, without cleaning it. You heard? So what you're going to do is you're going to measure your oils. I'm using jojoba oil, aloe vera, coconut oil, as well as vitamin E. Vitamin E is great for the face and for the skin. And now for the fun parts. I'm just going to be breaking up these rose petals. And y'all, when I say that every time I have to cut or rip apart roses, a piece of my heart breaks, because I'm just like, you so pretty. I don't want to do this to you, but you smell so good at the same time, so I'm gonna have to put you in my oils, baby girl. So yes, that's what I'm doing. And y'all, when I say that, as soon as I started whipping it, it smelled dumb good. You heard? Dumb good. Not good, dumb good. You feel me? So I highly recommend this. I wish I could smell the aromas through the screen, and I really feel like it was because of the jojoba oil. Now what we're going to do is we are going to just put this inside of this little small mason jar. And I was going to do a body scrub or a lip scrub, like a rose lip or body scrub. And girl, take this. I'm going to take this oil because, baby girl, I ain't paying no $2.99 for this little bit. Dang, you right? All right, so now you're going to boil some water for about 45 minutes. And then I'm just going to let this sit here. And keep in mind, I boiled the hot water for about 30 to 45 minutes. I cut the water off. I cut the stove off. I placed the mason jar right in the boiling water. Not with the fire on, with the fire off. I have to stress that because, yeah. And it smelled so good. I had to do it a second time. So I ended up doing it a second time. I ended up reheating up the water and doing it a second time. So now we're going to pack some last orders from the weekend. This is pretty much what I do. I go into my website on the back end. I'll just look and see, okay, what do I need for this hour? I'll pull from my inventory and I'll just start getting to work. And once again, I always make sure that I sanitize my area. I always make sure that I wear a mask. I always make sure that I sanitize my hands twice. When I say sanitize, I mean wash my hands and sanitize my hands. And then I put gloves on. And you'll find sometimes that when you're watching this, you'll see pieces of my glove has disappeared. So my fingers are visible. So just keep in mind that my hands are clean. And that's because sometimes when I use the tape, the glove sticks to the tape. So I just don't want to kill my whole flow, so I'll just continuously do orders. But then you'll see at a certain part of the video I ended up putting on another pair of gloves because it just kept ripping. So yes, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I just want to say thank you so much for everyone who has supported so far. Thank you so much for everyone who continues to like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you so much. You have no idea how much your orders mean to me and your support. And I just want you guys to know that the only person stopping you is you. And I know that sounds mad cliche, sis. Calm down, because I'm going to supposed to you like you're my best friend. Calm down. But I made the decision at the end of last year to isolate myself. and to detach from any distractions. And I got tired of my own BS, and I was just like, lady, get out of your own way. Move, bitch, move. You feel me? Like, I had to say that, bitch, move. So it's like, you really gotta talk to yourself. And everyone has what they need within, because I feel that we always seek external resources. Don't be afraid to be yourself. Don't be afraid to stand out. Don't be afraid to start, y'all. Like, do not be afraid to start. I have a serious YouTube goal this year. I had a serious YouTube goal before I turned 21, before I turned 25, and now your girl about to be, I ain't gonna say my age, but if you're boo-boo kitty, you should know. But yeah, your girl about to be the big 3-0 in 2022. So I've crossed off a number of things on my vision board, and there's a couple more things that I need to hone in on and focus on, because I'm gonna make sure that gets done, right? So yes, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. You guys, let me know if you are enjoying these daily uploads. Even if I upload 2 in the morning, which I am right now because it's 1:22, I don't care. I'm gonna make sure that I hold myself accountable for Ryan. So with that being said, make sure that you guys subscribe to this channel. Make sure you boo-boo kitty shop her Melanin YouTube boutique, baby girl. And don't forget Baddie on a Budget YouTube University, which is a six-week online intensive, a YouTube course that I would love for you to be a part of, because I don't want another year to pass by without you launching your channel. And what I teach my students in Baddie on a Budget YouTube University is that even before your channel meets the monetization requirements, you can create multiple streams of income simply by launching your YouTube channel. All it takes is patience, dedication, brand awareness, consistency, and most importantly, you can't do it without you, and you already have you, so you could start today. But I'm gonna be giving you ladies more details on that this week in my upcoming YouTube videos, so make sure that you keep an eye out for that. I really want you ladies to launch your channel. I really want to see you grow. I really want to see you aligned with what you love, and what you need is already within. So thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. I'm gonna shut my mouth because I'm not that ass still talking, and it's already 8 minutes and 11 seconds. But yes, love you, boo-boo kitties. Bye.